good morning and welcome to my kitchen. So you saw yesterday's video, you know that I'm a bit sad and I still am, but today is my mom's birthday and so I want to just be happy for her, stay with her and I don't know, just enjoy the day. But this is gonna be a cooking show. So right now we're going to cook some crepes and pancakes. So I'm not the greatest cook. I'm really good at cooking like salty foods. I'm not the greatest dessert chef. So I made crepes a lot of the times because my parents wouldn't do that for me. So I learned, but it's been a while since I've done it. Since I cooked them, so since I baked them, I don't know, but we're gonna do that together now. So I have my recipe here on my computer and we're gonna start cooking. For reference, now is 9:20 a.m. and I wanna see at what time I finish. So let's go. Guys, this is what I got. I can show you, but we need to wait 30 minutes before we start cooking them. So I'm gonna cover this up and put a timer on. Let's do this. And maybe later I'm gonna cook some pancakes because I don't know if I have the ingredients because I think I'm out of eggs. So I need to find a recipe with just one egg. So we'll see. guys, I'm making pancakes now, and I made my first pancake, and it's this. I already tried it because I wanted to try it, and it's really good. I'm so happy. But now let's do others. Oh guys, I'm so good at making crepes. Like, look at this. Like, I made so many, and they're all really circle. Like, I thought I would be bad at it. Okay, this is a bit burnt, but don't look at this. Look at this. Like, look how many I did. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Okay guys, I'm done, and I'm now going to fill them. I have Nutella and I have some blueberry jam. I don't have anything more, so we're gonna do with that. And now let's fill them up. They're gonna be so good. I know already. Yo guys, I still need to do 2 more, but I'm gonna wait because I asked my mom if she could go and buy some other jam. So now I have to wash all of these dishes, so let's get to work. Guys, it's so much later. I'm so sorry that I didn't talk to you at all, but as I said, it's my mom's birthday, so I'm staying with my family right now. And I just took a shower because my hair was feeling really greasy. And yeah, in a bit we're gonna have dinner and watch a movie, and so it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be a girls' night, so that's pretty fun. And I don't know, I feel excited about that, and I feel excited because we're having pizza. So I love pizza and I can't wait to eat. But yeah, I'll see you later. Yo guys, me and my mom came to get the pizza, and I'm driving because it's been 3 months since I tried, but I'm so good at it. Like guys, don't worry, if you ever come with me, I'm such a good driver, I swear. Sometimes I'm a bit, I don't know, maybe risky. I'm a fast driver, if you know what I mean, but don't worry, like I'm a good driver. I follow the rules, so you could come with me, no problem. And I love driving so much, putting music on and singing while driving. I love it so much. But yeah, I'll see you when I get back home.
stayed up till now just talking, eating cake and staying together. And so it was a really good time, and I didn't vlog it because I wanted to enjoy my day with my mom. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here because I'm going to bed. But yeah, I hope you liked my little cooking vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next one. I love you.